thinking I will talk as I get ready. Today is a very gloomy day. It's really windy, but I'm going to the city to meet my friend, and we're hanging around Chelsea today, going to some galleries in that area around fall time. Around this time I usually like going by Chelsea and checking out the galleries. I haven't gone in a minute, like 1 to 2 times a year, and that's usually around this fall time. But yeah, I can't believe it's fall, and now I see the leaves, the trees are slowly start to turn orange, and it's just one of my favorite time of the year. I think New York is really beautiful, especially in the fall, so I'm excited. Yeah, my makeup is very simple. I don't know how to do a lot. It's not because I don't want to, but I just genuinely do not know how to do much. I want to like get better at doing my makeup. I've been trying to find ways to be better at doing my makeup, but I'm not the best at it. And I'm also trying to figure out like what works well for my skin and my face shape and skin tone. So I think that's really important. Like when you're putting on blush, you don't want to put on blush that just does not suit your shade. Also, another thing is I've been getting into bronzer lately. I never did bronzer because I do have like a natural like contour here, thanks to my ancestors. Tibetans are known to have pretty high cheekbones, so I don't typically do bronzer, but I noticed the other day I went into Sephora and I noticed that when I do bronzer, it adds like a really nice warm tone to my face. So I've been trying to do more bronzer lately. And also I have this one blush that I love, but it's completely broken, so I'm trying to use it up a little bit, but I'm eventually gonna get rid of it. And for blush, I realized that I usually use pink shade, but I realized orange suits really well for my skin tone. So if anyone has any good orange blush that they recommend, let me know. My skin tone has a bit of olive and yellow undertone, but also a little bit of red undertone, so it's a little hard to find a shade that really suits well. And the brow is one thing that I will always do. It was what introduced me to makeup. I had really bad eyebrows, or more like I barely have any eyebrows, and so ever since I was in high school, which is when I started doing makeup, I always did my brows. So at this point I'm pretty good at doing brows. I think that's one thing that I can do with my eyes closed, but not really, you know. Yeah, so me and my friend, we're gonna go around and go to some of the galleries in Chelsea, and then we're also gonna go to Takahashi Bakery, which is this Japanese bakery that I found on someone's reel. Gotta clean this up. But yeah, I'm excited. If you know me, you know I love my pastries, so I'm super excited. Okay, I'm done with my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair really quickly and then get dressed, because I think if I don't speed it up, I'm gonna get late. So, but this is the makeup. I think this is what I'm gonna wear today. So I have my favorite basic t-shirt from Intimacy, and then this, I think it's a wool coat from Ann Taylor, and then I have these jeans from Dolce & Gabbana that I thrifted with my bangle. This one, my mom thrifted it, and it just looks like Z. And if you know, it's supposed to be like a tiger's eye. I don't know why it's not in focus. But yeah, anyways, this is the fit. I got the fish sandwich, and I got the fish sandwich, and Annie's got matcha croissant. Let's try it.
Apple chai.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. I thought you got the chai. Excited.
I honestly love everyone's like here.
Same. please. Thank you. This is so adorable.
Everything can have purpose if you allow it. Thinking about switching careers? Maybe that's God pushing you. Hesitating about a big decision? That could be God telling you to think twice. Thinking about going all in on crypto? That might not be God. Ask your accountant what they think. I gave that crypto joke. But if you think God's plan, I will be right back. Be right back. Hi, 1 second. 1 moment. Be right back.
Bye-bye.
Joanne.
जब हम अपने दिन की शुरुआत सही तरीके से करते हैं तो दिन भर में भी बहुत सी सही चीजें होती हैं। इस जेंटल योगा फ्लो से आप अपने दिन को एक स्टार्ट दे सकते हैं। हम चाइल्ड्स पोज में शुरू करेंगे। घुटनों को मैट डिस्टेंस अपार्ट। यहाँ पर गहरी सांस लीजिए।
So this is my Sunday activity. I'm making a perfume oil with this incense stick. This is the one. Okay, today's the next day, but I wanted to show the final product, which is just this. I put it in this Laneige container because I don't have a roller yet, but after straining the incense and the oil, yeah, this was all I had left. I did make a small batch though because I wanted to try it out. See, it's just a small amount, but when I apply it, I just shake it and then I apply some on my wrist, and it smells like pretty light. I feel like this scent isn't super strong, so I want to play around with it a little bit more, and if I like one, then I'm gonna make a bigger batch. This right here is my go-to mask. I think most Tibetans, or if you're Indian, you might know this, but I discovered this brand while I was in India. Yeah, I applied a little bit more over here because of like my breakout, and now I look like I have a mustache. Do I look like I have a mustache? I look like a dude, right? You see it?